Hello, good morning, everyone. I am giving a presentation on AS81000. Just giving a brief idea of our instrument. This instrument covers a wavelength range of 185 nanometer to 950 nanometer. This instrument is used to do heavy metal analysis such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, mercury, arsenic, and other elements. This instrument can configure with film, graphite or integrated film and graphite. And this graphite can be interchanged with the use of software. No need to have anything manually done. So it's very good and it is user friendly. Its optics are two double beam and seal vibration free optical system with reflective optical compartment. Detector is BMT. Monochromator is Turner type with holographic grating of 1800 lines per mm and reciprocal linear dispersion better than 1.6 nanometer per millimeter. It covers a focal length of 330 nanometer. Spectral bandwidth are adjustable slit from 0.1 nanometer to 2 nanometer. Wavelength accuracy is plus minus 0.01 nanometer. Wavelength reproducibility is less than 0.03 nanometer. Resolution is 0.2 nanometer plus minus 0.02 nanometer. Sensitivity is 1.9 absorbance per pi ppm copper. Then we have a nebulizer with a high efficiency, fully adjustable inert nebulizer. Burner head is total titanium alloy. Atomization chamber is corrosion resistant material. Position adjustment, automatic changeover for integrated flame and graphite system, automatic setting of optimum height of flame burner, software control burner movement for both vertical and horizontal. It comes with a safety controls such as burner identification, flame sensor, gas leak sensor, low gas pressure sensor, drain trap sensor, power loss protection, circulation water, that is for graphite, and overtemperature sensor for graphite. It contains an 8 lamp turret. We can show you the 8 lamp turret. So this 8 lamp turret. These lamps can be easily removed and can be attached easily. This has a protection cover that can be closed and with the hand simply. This is a titanium burner. It can be adjusted height wise and movement wise, forward backward, with the help of the software only. We were just talking about this nebulizer. This is adjustable nebulizer. Then we have another baffle where our graphite system is there, which can be taken forward or taken in the optical path with just press of one button in the software. Now we will show you how to light the flame with the help of the software. The software we use is AVIN 3.0, and just we will brief you. Our software contains measure, zero, sample, parameters, energy, lamp, power off. This power off is a function for lamp changing, which can be changed from here only, and lamp function, if you want to change any lamp during the process, you can change over here only. We have selected a copper over here, so it will show copper parameters. These are the default parameters, and these default parameters are built inside the software only. You don't have to change it. If you want to change for an R&D purpose, you can do it, but it is a default, so recommended that you use the same only. Wavelengths, according to your specification, you can change, or else the default wavelength will come. You can click on search pick. Now the software will search for the copper peak, that is 324.75, and it will show the sharp peak at the exact wavelength. It will take around 1 minute. This software is also user friendly, that you can use it just by reading the manual only, so there will be no problem. Now you can see the peak surge is coming. See the sharp peak at a particular wavelength which is given. Okay. As soon as the peak is surged, we will close the dialog box. Yes. Now the peak is surged. We'll go to close, next, and finish. Just so now the next step is we have to create a table, sample table, that we have to run the standard and the sample also. So we'll take the standard MS copper, we'll play next. The concentration we have to mention which standards we have prepared, 135 ppm. You can increase or decrease on your specifications how much you want to run. Then you play next. Blank correction, how after how many samples you want to add a blank, that is here. In the next, then how many samples you have to run, you can ranging from 1 to 100. We have keeping as an example at 4. Then you finish. Okay, now your table is prepared. Now you can go to flame. Just to we are showing you just a flame. Wait a minute.